Depositing money on Razorpay is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your account for various transactions. Follow these steps to successfully deposit money. Step 1. Create or log into your Razorpay account. Visit the Razorpay website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, sign up by providing the required information. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, look for the Wallet or Funds section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage your account balance and initiate deposits. Step 3. Choose Deposit Method. Select the option to deposit money. You will typically have several payment methods available, such as bank transfer, UP credit/debit cards, or net banking. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Input the amount you wish to deposit into your Razorpay account. Make sure to check any minimum or maximum limits that may apply to your chosen deposit method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be available in your Razorpay account. If you encounter any issues, refer to Razorpay's support resources for assistance.